Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, go back here once again with a brand new video, and a quite exciting one to say the least, and that is because we're going to be getting a brand new Parrot drone. Do you remember them, guys? With the Parrot Bebop 1 and the Parrot Bebop 2, well, it looked like Parrot might be making a comeback with a brand new drone. That is because it has been official. Parrot has confirmed an event for June 30th and a brand new drone release, and in today's video we're going to be talking about exactly what to expect from that event, guys. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first to bring you the most recent and most relevant drone news no matter what. And also, we're in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you're watching today's video and you're not subscribed to the channel, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family so you can help us get to that goal, which we're really not that far away anymore, guys. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. Well, Parrot last year announced that they were no longer going to be making drones for the consumer level, but rather they were going to be focusing on enterprise kind of drones. And we saw that last year with the release of the Anafi USA. It was a pretty interesting drone. The specs were really good, but after that we have really heard nothing from Parrot until now, and that is because in June 30th of this year, Parrot is going to be presenting a brand new drone. And in fact, Parrot has made an official announcement on their social media where they have posted an image of what this drone is going to be looking like and what time this event is going to be taking place. So let's go ahead and take a look, guys, right here on screen. There we have it. So it says robotics take flight June 3rd, 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So definitely quite interesting. So it says that Parrot is going to be releasing a new drone for what really matters: new communication standard, open to developers, full open source app, autonomous photogrammetry, and new cybersecurity. So a lot of people have been speculating if this is going to be a new drone from Parrot for the consumer level, and if this is actually going to be a 200 sub-gram drone, so a drone below the 250-gram mark. Now let me tell you something, guys, this will not be a drone in the mini category. That will not be happening at all. In fact, I don't even believe this drone will be focused toward the consumer level, because a lot of people have been talking about this drone being for the consumer level people, but no, that will not be happening. In fact, last year when Parrot announced their Anafi USA, they clearly stated that they were not going to be going back to the consumer level drones, and they were just going to be focusing 100% on enterprise drones. So once again, based on the description on the post on Instagram by the guys over at Parrot and what they said last year, I think there is no doubt we're going to be seeing this drone going towards the enterprise market rather than to the consumer market. Now, what to expect, we really have no idea. It looks like it's going to be a pretty similar design to the already existing Anafi drone, so expect something similar. As soon as we have any more new images, specs, or anything, don't worry, you're going to hear them here first, guys. But I just wanted to bring this news out to you. June 30th, we're going to be getting a brand new Parrot drone. That's all that I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.